Alright, July 25th, 2025, CN Hayes here, 2101 southbound here. Let's check them out. C6M rebuild. That's the 3392. 75I, 5741, 1 second. It's the hot Q198. The hot Q198, 51 of the 20th. Started at Fairview Yard in Prince Rupert, British Columbia, Canada. This is bound for Markham Yard in Homeland, Illinois. Was previously a GECX nee-BNSF variant. I'll write its previous build in the description below. Last of it should be coming. GECX 697, end of train devices, Starobin. That is going to do it for the hot Q198, 51 of the 20th. Do it for the new C6M rebuild of the 3392 and the SD75I of the 5741. 1 second. And once again, off it goes to Markham Yard in Homeland, Illinois. And that's going to do it for this video. At Ladysmith, Wisconsin, to kick off the final weekend of July. That's going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for this evening. Thank you so much for watching, folks. You have a great evening. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you down the main line. CN Hayes out.